Welcome back to the deep dive. Today we're going underground. Literally. We are looking at sewer inspection services. And our mission is to figure out why having a local expert is so important, especially in a place like Kitsilano and Vancouver.
That's right. And we've been looking at some great material from Pacific Blue Mechanical on this. Think of this as, a shortcut to really understanding how to protect your home's plumbing.
Okay, so sewer inspection, it's basically looking inside your pipes to find a small problem before it becomes a huge, disgusting problem. But I guess the real question is, couldn't any national plumbing company do that? I mean, a tree root is a tree root anywhere, isn't it?
You'd think so, but that's where it gets interesting. It's not just a generic plumbing issue.
Yeah.
In a place like Kitsilano, it's really a localized geological issue.
Geological.
Yeah. You've got these beautiful, big, old trees.
Yeah.
And older homes with older pipes.
Right.
And those pipes are sitting in this heavy clay soil that, shifts around all the time with rain and frost. So those massive tree roots aren't just bumping into pipes. They are actively hunting for tiny cracks in that old, stressed-out infrastructure. A local expert knows that specific battlefield.
The subterranean battlefield, I like that. So how do they actually see this secret war between roots and pipes without digging up everyone's yard?
Well, the main tool is CCTV inspection. It's basically a tiny high-def camera they snake right down into the pipe.
Okay, so it's like a little robot camera giving them a live feed.
Exactly. It shows you precisely where a root is pushing in. Or maybe if the pipe itself is shifted because the ground moved.
But the material we saw from Pacific Blue Mechanical mentioned other things like acoustic testing and smoke testing. Why do you need those if you have a camera?
Because not all problems are big, obvious cracks. That's where the real expertise comes in. Acoustic testing is literally listening for the sound of a tiny drip from a leak the camera might miss. And smoke testing is for finding air leaks. It's super important for making sure, toxic sewer gas isn't finding its way into your home. It's about a complete, tailored diagnosis for these old, complex systems.
Okay, so let's get to the part everyone really cares about, the money. This sounds pretty high tech, but the whole point is actually to save you a ton of cash.
Oh, absolutely. That is the #1 benefit. It's all about preventing that catastrophic middle-of-the-night emergency.
The one that costs thousands and thousands of dollars.
Tens of thousands sometimes. Catching a small root getting in or a little crack today saves you from having to excavate your entire front lawn tomorrow.
We saw that real-life example, right, where a family caught the root problem early with a CCTV check.
Yeah, exactly. They found major root growth just before it caused a total sewer backup. That inspection probably saved them a fortune.
So how often should you be doing this for these older homes?
The recommendation is usually every 1 to 2 years. It's a small, proactive step that prevents massive disruption.
And it's not just about money and disruption, is it? There's a safety angle here, too.
A huge one. I mean, preventing sewage leaks protects the local water, the soil. A backup isn't just a mess, it's a serious health hazard for the whole community.
And what about for you, the homeowner? It's got to be good for your property value.
Oh, for sure. It's a massive selling point. If you can show a buyer, look, I have documents showing the sewer line has been inspected and maintained, that builds incredible confidence.
Right. They know they aren't buying a hidden disaster.
Exactly. It can lead to higher offers, faster sales. It shows you've taken care of the home's most critical and riskiest component.
So if we boil this all down, the main takeaway is that for a place with specific challenges like Kitsilano's old trees and soil, you need that localized expertise.
You do. It's that combination of knowing the ground beneath your feet and having the right tech to see what's happening in it. It's not just a fix, it's a long-term investment.
It protects your home's value and your family's health.
Really makes you think. If the biggest threat to our homes is this invisible battle happening in the dirt between roots and pipes, what does that say about how little we pay attention to the very ground our houses are built on?
Yeah. It's this silent foundational thing we just completely ignore.
Right. Until it's way too late. Something to mull over.